Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to connect a Yamaha keyboard to Ableton. First, connect your Yamaha keyboard to your computer. If you have a newer model with a USB port, use a standard USB-A to USB-B cable or a USB-C cable if your keyboard supports it. Plug one end into the keyboard and the other end into your computer. If you have an older keyboard with 5-pin MIDI ports, use a MIDI to USB interface cable. Connect the MIDI in plug from the interface to the keyboard's MIDI out port and connect the MIDI out plug to the keyboard's MIDI in port. Then plug the USB end into your computer. After connecting the hardware, open Ableton Live. On Windows, go to Options and select Preferences or Settings. Next, open the Link tab or MIDI on the left side. Under the MIDI port section, find your Yamaha keyboard in the input list. Turn on the track option so Ableton can receive notes from your keyboard. If you want to use knobs, sliders, or other controls on the keyboard to adjust settings in Ableton, turn on the remote option as well. Once these settings are enabled, your Yamaha keyboard will be connected and ready to use. Thanks for watching.